How you doing today? This is Samuel Jordan and this is World Wide Web. This is a continuation of the Plask AI video I did a couple of weeks ago. I got a commenter named Riza underscore Vasali underscore who wanted to know how to orient the animation that we have from the Plask AI, um, which is a great thing. Make sure you guys comment, and I'll gladly get back to you guys as quick as possible. So this is a community. I comment on other people. They help me out. One hand helps the other. So let's get into it. This is a fairly quick tutorial. It should be done fairly shortly. So let's do this. First thing you want to do is hit Shift A. Create a empty with the plane axis. Click on the armature in the outliner. Hit Control. Click on the empty in the outliner. Hit Control P, and then set parent to object. Okay. Now that it's parented, you should be good to go ahead and orient it. So just pretty much just click the empty only. Hit R to rotate. Hit Z on the Z axis, and then you'll be able to rotate it. Now, when you hit spacebar to play your animation, you will see that it's rotated in the angle that you want it to be. So you can rotate it any type of way, and it'll be able to still work. So, all right. This is Samuel Jordan again at World Wide Web. Make sure to like and comment. I will get back to you, and thank you guys. Peace. Make sure to subscribe too. Love y'all.